Hi, Miriam.
Hi.
Where are we going?
California Adventure.
Right. Cool.
Yeah, we're excited.
We're off a little bit early and then a little bit late as well. So
Yep.
we had to run back to the hotel
to get a camera.
I didn't have this camera and Miriam didn't have her ring.
I my ring. I would be sad without all my steps today.
It's true.
Because this is the best place to get steps ever.
So we came to the Guardians of the Galaxy escape like right off the bat. And there's like not very much lines.
And
it's actually
dark.
really cool.
It's dark in here.
It is very dark.
Now for security bioscan.
We're doing it again.
Scan complete.
Hey, we're here at Radiator Springs Racers. Miriam likes Cars Land better than anything else. So, but we had to kind of book it through here because our Fast Pass was up right now. Got my old man hat on now.
Yeah.
Officially arrived. So Miriam was feeling a little queasy. Actually, so was I. So we decided to stop fasting, and we went to Flo's V8 Cafe. They used to have like herb roasted chicken.
Yeah.
Last time we were
It
here.
was a thigh and a wing.
It was good stuff.
It was a thigh and a leg
Yeah.
together. And we were so impressed with it, we thought, this is the best place at Disneyland.
Yeah.
Now, there's not that. They have fried chicken.
They have fried chicken. But they did have a Cobb salad. Oh, there goes that. I'm going to go get that in a second.
The salad was prettier until I started eating it.
Yeah.
But it has good blue cheese.
Gross blue cheese. And they had a bunch of corn. See our pile of corn?
Yeah, we just put it on the tray.
So we just did Midway Mania. That was actually a lot of fun. Miriam was behind most of the thing. Then she came from behind and like almost beat me.
Yeah. It's because I actually stopped aiming and just started shooting at everything.
Oh, okay. Started using your tracer rounds? All right. We're going to go on the Incredicoaster now. Sounds like fun, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
See your face because of the hat.
Okay, I'll take the hat off. Okay, so we just got off the roller coaster. Got the smoked turkey leg.
Turkey leg.
Salt and smoke. That's it.
Not that salty though. I wish
Oh, is
I
it
had
not?
more salt.
I've got salt in my bag, but okay. Anyway, so
We went on the Incredicoaster and it was incredible.
it was actually a lot of fun, but it was kind of jostly.
Yeah, it made me think that if I come and my child is wimpy and doesn't want to ride, I'd be okay.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, is it?
It's already recording.
Getting my new glasses on.
That's right.
Hi.
So we were gonna go to the Monsters Incorporated thing.
Yeah, but it's closed.
It's closed.
Sadly.
And that's funny. Whatever Romanoff lady, the Avengers lady. It's not really her. Black Widow. Black Widow.
She's over there.
Walking around. Here, check this out.
Can you see that far away? Probably not.
Yeah, she's over
How
there.
do you see her?
It's a wig. She's right there in front of us.
Oh, she's right in front of us.
So, anyhow. So, you didn't switch out the glasses yet?
I did. That's why I
okay.
have glasses on.
Okay. Oh, and it really wants to track your face now.
It likes me.
Yeah, it does. All right. I'm not even sure what we're gonna do now. So,
We're just gonna figure it out.
I'm gonna put my old man sunglasses on.
This old man hat.
So we're in Disneyland now. Happy Saturday to everybody.
Yeah.
We just got done with Star Tours. It was actually updated for
The last movie.
yeah, the Rise of Skywalker. I was not expecting that. That was actually kind of cool. So we are doing the car ride.
Yeah, what's it called?
Autopia.
Autopia. Yeah, we're in line.
Yep. Then we're gonna do Hyperspace Mountain.
And we did get a spot in Rise of the Resistance.
Yes,
at 8
we did.
o'clock, somehow, miraculously. So we're excited to try
Everybody
that.
else had already gotten it. We're in boarding group 120.
Yay!
So, which I thought they only did 100 boarding groups. Maybe they changed it. Anyway.
I don't know.
So, yep.
Oh, you guys exist. Oh my gosh. Awkward.
We're getting sprayed in the face.
If anybody loses anything during the tour, just raise your hand. Because then I'll raise my hand too, and we can wave goodbye to it together. On your right-hand side, we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye.
This thing is full of
They
puns.
call it the
So
Temple
many
of the
puns.
Forbidden Eye because the Temple of the Forbidden Me would have been terrible grammar.
right.
On your left, we have an Indo-Chinese tiger. They're known to be able to jump about 20 feet. Yeah, good thing we're 15. He'll jump right over us. Right over here, we have King Cobra.
Well, it's gonna track Miriam's face.
Yeah.
So we
I just ate my turkey leg.
Miriam ate her turkey leg.
It's gone. There's no more meat left.
That's the lunch of champions.
Yeah.
Oh, breakfast too. Yeah.
Yummy.
So, yeah, that's all we've eaten all day. Good job.
It's good. You had your own. I had my own.
It's true. Yeah, we each finished the turkey leg, huh? That's the first time you've ever eaten one, huh?
The whole thing, yeah.
Well, because usually the
Share
kids
with the kids.
steal one.
I get a couple bites and I'm grateful I get a couple bites. But
That's
today
right.
I got my own.
Well, you're a big girl now.
And I need to wipe off
Yeah,
my face.
let's go wash your hands, okay? You're such a big girl.
I actually didn't touch it very much.
Really? Oh. Okay. So we just did the canoes.
It was really fun. I didn't even know it existed.
Well, last time we came here, it wasn't open.
Oh,
So.
okay.
I got water all over my super awesome
I got
glasses.
some water on my glasses too. I thought it
Nice.
was really fun though.
Well, so we're gonna go to
Splash Mountain?
no the railroad.
Oh, railroad something?
The railroad something. We're gonna go do that.
Yeah,
So
that sounds like fun.
yeah. They're going around harassing people. So we're getting ready to go on
Smuggler's Run.
Smuggler's Run. So this one you can't do fast passes or anything like that. We came by and it said 25-minute wait. And then we went to the bathroom and now it says 45-minute wait. So
we're in line.
yep. Anyhow, it's cool around here.